To regularly brief you on the gains the Liberia National Police has made in the fight against crimes across the country. So our first case we have a couple of crimes that we are investigating, and we are pleased to let you know that the Liberia National Police has arrested, investigated, and duly charged suspect Nini Balia, 56, that's 36, alias Ebo. He's also noted to be a notorious burglar, a resident of Johnson Street in Liberia for criminal mischief and theft of property. Suspect Balia was arrested on May 29, 2024 for burglarizing the offices of Senators Amarikone, Bapolu County. Amarikone is from Senator Amarikone is Senator of Bapolu County, Joseph K. Jala of Lofa County, and Thomas Yaya Nile of Grange County. So during police investigation, it was established and it was revealed that on Saturday, May 25, 2024, the suspect Belia criminally entered the premises of the compound and made away with one silver laptop, one silver and black Microsoft Windows laptop from the Ministry of Information, Minister Jeremy Pia's office, and then again the suspect on Sunday, May 26, 2024, he criminally entered the premises of the Capitol building and made away with several items from the senator's name office. So from Honorable Yaya Nime's office, he stole 2 black Dell laptops, one common 20 touchscreen phone, and from Honorable Joseph K. Jala office, he took 1 Acer laptop, 1 black Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, and 2 ThinkPad laptop. So from Honorable Amarakone's office, he made away with $200 United States dollars cash in Liberia $10,000, all in cash, and he took away 70 pieces of Aminata gas coupons. And lastly, he took assorted MedTech documents on Sunday, May 26. All those burglary was done on Sunday, May 26 at the grounds of the Capitol building. And at the Information Ministry, it was on Saturday night when he took away those items from the minister's office. So if you are the foregoing couple, meanwhile the LNP retrieved 8 of the stolen laptops, and as you can see, they are displayed here, and I've signed for. They have been signed. They retrieved some of the laptops, and which we are seeing here. And in view of the foregoing, coupled with the facts gathered, the investigation has resolved to charge suspect Nini Balia, aka Ebo, a notorious burglar with the commission of crimes, criminal mischief, burglary, and theft of property in violation of Chapter 15, Subchapter A, B, and D, Section 15.5, 15.20, and 15.51, while his accomplice, Willie Ross, 34, and Moses Masale, 32, are charged with aiding consummation of crime in violation of Chapter 12, Subchapter A, that's Subchapter Section 12.5 of the Revised Penal Law of Liberia Penal Code Trial. Those are the accomplices are Ross and Masale. They are the ones they're the one who bought the items from him, and they are in a constant habit of buying black, and we call the Liberian market black D from stolen items from criminals. So they were charged with these foreign charges. They charged with aiding consummation of crime in violation of Chapter 2, Subchapter A, Section 12.5 of the Revised Penal Law of Liberia, pending court trial. So we come to the case of Reverend Emmanuel Nimle. The Liberia National Police has investigated also the religious advisor to former President George Weah and current pastor of the Forgive Club Family Church, Reverend Emmanuel M. Nimle, for his alleged involvement into theft by deception, receiving under false pretense, visa fraud, and suspected him. That was the first charge before the investigation. So the investigation, after the investigation, suspect Emmanuel M. Nimle has been charged and forwarded to court with the crimes of theft of property and obtaining or issuing deceptive writing in violation of Chapter 15, Subchapter 12, Section 15.51 and Chapter 15.72 of the Revised Penal Code of the Republic of Liberia. So that was the charge upon the religious advisor to former President George M. Weah, who was involved in that alleged theft of property. So he's been forwarded to court already. So we come to the insurance case. So the Liberia National Police also arrested, investigated, charged, and will be sending the suspects Alfred Cantel, Robert Bozie, and Melvin Thompson. They are all adults for preparing and issuing fake documents of the mutual benefit insurance company over, like the complaint came to our glare. The complainants are more than, there are several, but as we have it now, there are 3 vehicle owners in Monrovia that were duped by those persons that we named. Alfred Cantel, Robert Bosley, and Melvin Thompson. They are all adults, and they were both for preparing and issuing fake documents of the mutual insurance company. So we'll further elaborate on that from the mutual insurance company where these individuals were involved with. And we have documents to display those fraudulent documents, those fake insurance documents that they gave to those vehicles owners on purporting as employees of the mutual benefit insurance company. So we have 3 here, and let me just display those 3. So after a thorough investigation, the following were established to wit: that the crimes, forgery, theft of property, and criminal conspiracy committed by suspect Alfred Cantel, Robert Bosley, and Melvin Thompson for falsifying insurance documents in the name of mutual benefit insurance company, thereby defrauding victims Henry Colley, Christian Coniver, Queen Neva, and Kelvin Colo. So that suspects Alfred County, Robert Bosley, and Melvin Thompson are not employees of mutual benefit assurance company, and they have no authority to issue insurance document in the name of mutual benefit insurance company. That suspects Alfred County, Robert Bosley, and Melvin Thompson purported to be employees or agents of mutual benefit assurance company, thereby extorting monies from the public under the pretense of issuing them legitimate insurance document, which they failed to do. That the stamps, signatures, and features visible on the face of the insurance documents bearing the names Henry Colley, Christian Queen Neva, and Kelvin Colo are not in the database of the mutual benefit assurance company that suspect Alfred Canty, Robert Bossy, and Melvin Thompson did not only defraud the herein mentioned victims out of cash, they also caused reputational injury to mutual benefit assurance company. In view of the above, coupled with the hard copies of the fake insurance document in the name of victims, Henry Colley, Christian Quaniva, and Kelvin Colo in the possession of police, this investigation has resolved to charge the suspects with the crimes forgery, theft of property, and criminal conspiracy, which are in violation of section 15.70, 15.51, and 10.4 of the revised penal law of the Republic of Liberia, pending trial by court of competence jurisdiction.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you for your audience. We keep this time for questions if you have any. Yeah, Prince, just call your institution, please.
Yeah, so my name is Prince Mobile. I report for Prime FM, and I'm online TV called Focus on Liberia. So I have my concern has to do with the insurance company thing. Some of the cyclists we spoke to when the issue broke up, they alleged that the individuals in question were employees of the Ministry of Transport. Even though the ministry has denied, has refuted that statement, but I'd like to know, what did the police establish as it relates to what was their link with the ministry? Because according to them, the insurance documents were part of the package of their registration process as demanded by the Ministry of Transport. So what did the police find out in relation to that?
Thank you, Prince. I think you are totally derailing this whole press conference, but I will speak to that. We called a press conference relative to the mutual benefit insurance company, but I will provide you a little bit of update that you said the minister for that bike riders, the minister said, but we have come to our attention. We are still investigating how transport ministry employees will be issuing insurance record. But let me just caution the public, even bike riders and vehicle owners, that you have to be very patient. You have to follow the proper process. What happens, most of them are encouraged to get documents, and then when they go they go to the wrong and they fall within the wrong hand. Like you said, the minister already denied. He said they were not employees his employees are not called for the responsibility of issuing insurance papers. So we are investigating that. But like I said, it also came to our attention wherein people are purporting to be employees of your ministries or even insurance company that those bike riders and others go to. What they do, if you trust them, they purport as employees of these companies, and they trust them with their documents. If you are, for example, if you are registering, I'm a bike owner, and give them money to register 10 bikes, what they will do, they will insure one, and then duplicate the other ones and give it to the owner. The owner think you say, oh, they are rightful, and that's a original document, and then when they go in our officers, it will be worked by our officers, because of course they are inspecting it and they are trained to know the fake documents. So until we can get more information on that, and for the ministry also, because there are transport ministry officials that linked to this question that you asked, but we'll get to you. Yeah, but of course we have been getting, it's of concern, But I just want to caution those that owners of vehicles, motorbike, tricycles, they should follow the right process so that they can be embarrassed or they can be given fake documents. As in the case of the mutual insurance benefit company that we already displayed, these suspects, they were in the constant habit of defrauding the mutual benefits and also the government of Liberia. So the purported as employees of the mutual benefits, and of course you can see display fake documents that they give to those people, to those victims. So they want to caution the public that they should do the right thing. Walking, don't be, we always like to do quick service thing, walk in to the company, and of course interact with the company. If you meet the person in the confines of the company, right there, you should know that if I learn to access the company facility.
Yes, another person. Yes. Just
Yeah.
for your name and the institution.
Thank you. I'm Darius Kanga and I do report for OKFN and OK Online TV. My question had to do with this lifestyle I read before me. The public are concerned about suspect Anton who stole these lifestyle from the lawmakers' office.
Suspect who?
Suspect, probably you know it and you will call it.
No, you call a name. You gotta be. We are live. We are on the international cable. So if you come with the facts, you gotta come with the right name. But I already mentioned the outcome of the findings here today. So maybe another person you're talking about. Yeah, just come in.
Okay, perhaps I'm not getting the name correct. Maybe I don't know. Can't know by any other names, so I don't recognize it because I didn't record it well. But my question had to do with these laptops from those who had been stored by the lawmakers of the individual. I mean, the public are concerned, even though the police have retrieved those laptops from the criminals, and they are concerned where are those individuals. Even though you have retrieved the computer, this individual will be prosecuted, or the police will allow him go because they have retrieved his items.
You already sat in the press conference and you listened to me, the findings, and it speaks volume. We said that we're clear about it. The police has investigated and charged this his Nina Balia 36, and he will be forwarded to court right after this press conference. So prosecution will take place. If the police can go on investigating and forwarding, the next thing when the person is being forwarded to court, of course, the due process will take place. He has already been accorded the due process before our investigation. The suspects I told their Liberia rights and their constitutional rights. It means silent or not. So all the due process was followed and it will be forwarded to court.
Yes, is there any other person for questions?
Can you do a follow-up, please? There's a proposal on the one. So, Madam Director, besides the mutual assurance or benefits assurance company, have you received report from any other insurance company that their documents were falsified? Because some of the report we got, I particularly heard three names, namely the mutual benefit assurance company, the Sky Insurance Company, and the Continental Insurance Company. So I'd like to know, besides the one before you, what are any of those two, or any of the other two complain or that their document was falsified, or you have somebody in connection to?
As of now, it's a mutual benefit.
Okay. Yes, another question?
Except others come forward, but for now, it's a mutual benefit.
So, if there's no other question,
So, thanks for following.
Press conference. We want to say
My
thank
name
you
is
very much
Prince.
for joining us.
We've been here.
And before we can leave, we have the suspect department that will be displayed
At the police
for
headquarters.
those who are also following us through your social media platforms.
We are here at the Liberia National Police headquarters, where
Yeah, okay. Let me recognize the presence of the investigator, the chief investigator, and he's here. He's sitting on my file, right? And I want to tell you thank you for all of the investigation that has been brought to our attention so far. Thank you, Alice, for job well done. And ladies and gentlemen of the press, until we can see another time, thank you for being here.
So, just take your camera over there.
Alright, so there are these are the suspects.
What's your name? Hello. Yeah?
Look at your face, man.
Keep your camera on when you're going out.
I want photo.
Put the camera on.
So these are the suspects. They want a photo. Samuel.
Hey, what's man? Can you please cover your face? Lexus. So we want to say thank you. Yeah, media.
So I'm still here trying to do all I can to see the faces of the suspects when they're going out, because they are the one that alleged a fake insurance document of the motor insurance companies. My name is Prince.
I'll come in. Hey.
Excuse me, I'm going to be Excuse me. Excuse me, suspect. Excuse me.
Don't be rushing it up. Let it go to this stuff. What's man? You don't think I like book away, pretty man. Can't like stuff. Don't mess with here.
Okay, folks, so this is how we come to the end of this live broadcast. My name is Prince. Thanks for joining us. Bye bye. I'm out. The suspects being forwarded to court. I'm out.